This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, July the 31st, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we have a complex of thunderstorms over the central high plains, a weak cold front moving through the Great Lakes, some storms developing over the south, and the monsoonal flow continuing over the southwest. Watch warning map from a little bit before midnight. The heat advisories and excessive heat warnings down to our south. Some flood issues around Las Vegas and the Hoover Dam area, and some warnings up in the Great Lakes, and that's all. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing most of the rain will be to our north, to our south and east, and over the desert southwest. We could get some rain around here, maybe a quarter to a half an inch, but that's about it. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, at 18,000 feet off the ground, or at the 500 millibar level at this point, 594 ridge of heat over the south or southern plains, and a cold front moving through the Great Lakes will continue to move to the east, taking the rain with it. Storms over the south and east, the monsoon will flow over the south and west, and here it's dry. Here even into Wednesday, temperatures will be, well, a couple degrees either side of 90, mainly lower 90s than the upper 80s, and it'll be fairly humid. Thursday, a storm system will be coming in that could spark off a shower or storm, but it's going to be very isolated. About a 20% crack at some showers and storms with that system. And that'll last into early Friday before it moves off to the south and east at this point. Although another disturbance will be just to the west. Temperatures will be sliding off at least into the 80s by this point. Saturday, to start off the first weekend of August, another frontal system, well, a fairly weak one, is moving into the area. Some showers and thunderstorms possible with that. That'll be moving through Saturday night into early Sunday, and it'll be east of the state by Sunday, and slightly cooler temperatures behind it, readings back into seasonal levels by that point. And even here into Monday to start off the new work week, it'll be seasonal. It's about the best we can say, but another warm spell is coming back as heat will be building up in the plains once more, and by a week from today, on the 7th of August, you can see the heat is building up back across the plain states, with the trough moving off to the east and another one coming into the north and west. And with that heat coming in, we could see some showers and thunderstorms with that, but they're becoming few and far between, and a lot of these chances that you see on the model never materialize. A couple days later, on August 12th, the ridge is back in true form, almost on top of us, not quite, just slightly to our south and west, but it's going to be warm. Storm track well to our north, and that means storms will be well to our north and to our north and east, and temperatures will be most likely back into the 90s with heat, humidity, heat indexes, and heat advisories. A couple days later, at the end of the forecast on August the 15th, however, the trough comes in, storm track moves down. We have a system that could be possibly moving through the Great Lakes, or the western Great Lakes at that time, and that could enhance some showers and thunderstorms. But again, we've seen this in numerous runs before, and then it goes away on the next run, so we'll have to wait and see on this one, I'm sure. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Wednesday.